My name is Jennifer A. Magat, 34 years old. I'm a married. I have one child, 10 years old boy. My educational attainment, 2 years vocational course, ICT, Information Communication Technology. I'm a Christian. Um, I have work experience here in the Philippines since May 14, 2016 to November 14, 2020 for 4 years factory worker. Then my second experience work here in the Philippines, helper, household, chores, work. I know how to cook and marketing. Then I take care 3 years old kid and 2 years